Hello guys, today I gonna show you how to download and install Tor Browser on Kali Linux. Tor Browser is free and open source browser where you can browse and explore anonymously. Tor Browser is protecting our privacy. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we have to download Tor Browser. Open up any browser. Now type torproject.org in the URL box and press enter. It's official site of Tor. Okay, now simply click on download Tor browser. It will open download page. You can see it's available for Windows, Mac, Linux and Android operating system. Now I am going to download for Linux. Within few seconds download will start. Here simply save the file. Okay, after successfully download, close the browser. Okay, now go to downloads folder. Here is the Tor browser. Now let's move into the desktop. Okay, now extract the file. Right click on it. Now simply click on extract here. It will take few seconds. Okay, now open the Tor browser folder and double click on Tor browser setup to open Tor browser. If you are a root user, you also will get this pop-up error. Simply click OK. Now open the browser folder. Here open start Tor browser file. Now here find the Tor browser bundle should not be run as root. Here change 0 into 1 and save the file. Now close all files and folders. Now open the Tor browser folder. Here now double click on Tor browser setup to open Tor browser. Alright, here simply click on connect. It will connect on Tor network. Okay, now you can browse anything anonymously without worrying your privacy. Okay, close the browser. Now you can move Tor browser into the desktop. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.